Hello everyone, welcome back to our English learning channel. Today we will learn English through an inspiring story. The title of today's story is The Hardworking Girl. In this lesson you will improve your listening, learn useful vocabulary and practice speaking English. So relax, listen carefully, and enjoy the story. In a small village, there lived a girl named Anna. Anna came from a poor family. Her parents worked very hard every day. Anna understood this. She wanted to help her family. Every morning, Anna woke up early. She helped her mother clean the house. She helped her father prepare food for the day. After that, she walked to school. The road to school was long, but Anna never complained. At school, Anna listened carefully to her teacher. She always did her homework. She studied even when she felt tired. Many students played after school, but Anna often stayed at home to study. Sometimes she felt tired. Sometimes she felt discouraged. But she never gave up. One day, the school announced a big exam. The best student would receive a scholarship. Anna felt excited but nervous. "This is my chance," she said. For many weeks, Anna studied day and night. She reviewed her lessons again and again. Finally, the day of the exam arrived. Anna did her best. She answered every question carefully. A few days later, the results were announced. The teacher smiled. "The top student is Anna," she said. Anna could not believe it. She had won the scholarship. Her parents were very proud. Anna smiled with tears in her eyes. All her hard work had paid off. She realized something important. Hard work can turn dreams into reality. Now let's learn some important words from the story. Hardworking means putting a lot of effort into work. Example: Anna is a hardworking girl. Scholarship: a scholarship is money given to help someone study. Example: Anna won a scholarship. Complain means to say that something is not good. Example: Anna never complained about her life. Give up means to stop trying. Example: Anna never gave up on her dream. Now, let's listen again. This time, listen slowly and repeat. Anna was a hardworking girl. She helped her family every day. She studied hard at school. There was a big exam. Anna prepared carefully. She did her best. She won a scholarship. Her dream came true. Now let's practice speaking. Repeat after me. I am a hardworking person. I will not give up. Hard work brings success. I believe in myself. Excellent work. Wonderful job today. You just learned English through the story The Hardworking Girl. Remember, hard work and determination can change your life. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe for more English learning stories. See you in the next lesson. Happy learning English.